Hello students, today I am here with a shorthand method for lazy writers, those who don't want to write more. That is exponential form of chapter 2 power play. Here I have written one expression on the screen, and if someone is asking you to write the same on your notebook, you will be very lazy to write these all the things, or there is a lot of chance to make mistake also. So mathematicians find out a solution for this. That is, this expression I can write as like this, and this we can read as 3 raised to the power 20 or 3 to the power 20. Here 3 is called base. 3 is called base and 20, that is called power or exponent. 3 to the power 2. This also can read as 3 raised to 2. That means 3 into 3. That is 3 is repeating 2 times. And 3 to the power 3, or this we can read as 3 cube. That is 3 into 3 into 3. That is power is 3, so this base is repeating 3 times. Or if it is 3 to the power 4, that means 3 is repeating 4 times. So power is deciding how many times the base is repeating. Now we can learn some quick mental rules. That is so that calculation become easy in the case of exponents. In that first one, product rule. That is a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n. That is, here you can see base is same, so you have to add the power. To find the solution, you have to add the power. For example, if 3 raised to 5 multiplied by 3 raised to 2. Here you can see base is same, so for multiplication add the power. So 3 raised to 7. Answer is 3 raised to 7. Add the power. Now next one, division. Here a raised to m divided by a raised to n. Then for division, if the base is same, subtract the power. So m minus n. For example, 3 raised to 5 divided by 3 raised to 2. Here it is division and base is same, so subtract 5 minus 2, so it become 3 raised to 3. Now next one, power of a power. That is a raised to m whole raised to n. That is equal to a raised to mn. You can multiply these powers. For example, and this a raised to m whole raised to n is same as a raised to n whole raised to m. That is, this can be inside also, this inner power can be outside also, and this answer will be a raised to n. Multiply these powers. For example, 2 raised to 5 whole raised to 3. So answer will be, these two powers we can multiply, 2 raised to 50. Now the next one, a into b whole raised to m. So if a common power is there, you can give the separate power. That is a raised to m into b raised to m. Suppose 2 into 5. This one. 2 into 5 whole raised to 2. That you can write it as 2 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 2. This common power can give us separate. Now for division also, common power a by b whole raised to m. This you can write as separate power you can give. Numerator become a raised to m and denominator become b raised to m. For example, 3 by 5 whole raised to 4. that you can write as 3 raised to 4 divided by 5 raised to 4. Now next one, zero exponent rule. Any number raised to 0, that become 1. For example, 25 raised to 0, 1. 100 raised to 0. If the power is 0, answer will be 1. Now, when the power become negative, suppose 2 raised to minus 4. So you can make the power positive by taking the number to the denominator. That is 2 raised to 4. Or 4 raised to minus 3. This you can write 1 by 4 cube. So 1 by, if you are writing 4 raised to minus 3 become 1 by 4 cube. So power become positive. These are some quick mental rules. If you learn, you have to learn all these things so that all the calculation become easy.